Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to back to program Letyshops because I got new cashback and this cashback is qualified to WinDraft, so we make this together. So let's go to my account. Like you see, I have over 71 Polish zloty to WinDraft and I can do this. So go to WinDraft funds. I choose bank transfer. I type here my bank number and my data for this bank transfer. And now I can click button WinDraft funds. My request was received by Letyshops and now I am waiting for the accept. It's usually 1 or 2 days and I have money on my bank account. If you look here, I WinDraft a lot of money from this Letyshops program. This is all my cashback for my orders, what I get when I make purchase online. If you want to use my referral link, you can use this what I put in description. When you sign up, we can both grab some money because like you see in description, refer Letyshops to your friends and each of you received a 10 Polish zloty bonus. For that, the more friends you invite, and then you earn. So it's win for both of us, for me and for you. And one thing what we need to be qualified, so you need make this from referral link. You need make purchase for minimum 70 Polish zloty in last month, and after this we got some money. Of course, this requirement can be changed, depends what country you are, so read before this description about referral program before you sign up. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.